Hello YouTube, shadowhero90 here, welcoming you to my Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Collection 2 unboxing video. Right now I'm going to be removing the wrapping. I ordered this over Amazon. And okay, time to remove the wrapping. As you can see, it's off. Now to see what is inside. Okay, I got 3 mega packs. Well, 5 actually. And the clear pack with the sacred beasts inside. Okay, let's see what's inside mega pack number 1. Okay, Mega Pack number 1 contains Hero Heart, Elemental Hero Marine Neos, Judgment Dragon, Elemental Hero Grand Neos, Cyber Dragon, Instant Fusion, Rosebud, Cyclone Boomerang, and Destiny Hero Dunker. Okay, Mega Pack number 2 of Legendary Collection 2 contains Crystal Beast Emerald Tortoise, Elemental Hero Storm Neos, DD Crow, Galactus the Star Beast, Amistyle the Chaos Phantom, Destiny Mirage, Crystal Beast Cobalt Eagle, Feather Wind, and Oversoul. Pack 4 contains D-Counter, Elemental Hero Captain Gold, Card Ejector, Gladiator Beast Bistari, Instant Fusion, Neo Space, Hero Blast, Elemental Hero Burstinatrix, and Double-Edged Sword Technique. Okay, let's see what's in pack number 4. Thunder King Ryo, Ancient City Rainbow Ruins, Crystal Beast Sapphire Pegasus, Cyber Twin Dragon, Acarnis Lightsworn Druid. D-Time. The Sixth Samurai Nagashi. Elemental Hero Wildheart. And another Elemental Hero Burstinatrix. Now it's time for the final pack, in which I don't know what's inside. And the hidden cards are System Down, Elemental Hero Neos, Elemental Hero Lady Heat, Ishen Sheen's Channeler, Elemental Hero Neos Alucius, probably butchered that, Gareth Lightsworn Warrior, Elemental Hero Poison Rose, Dark City, and another Elemental Hero Wildheart. And now, just for fun, I'm going to open the clear pack. And inside that are the 3 Sacred Beasts. Dark Lord Asmodeus, Dark Lord Suburbia, probably butchered that, Dark Lord Edith Ares, probably butchered that, Cyber Larva, Lion Alligator, Spawn Alligator, Elemental Hero Great Tornado, Parallel World Fusion, Dragonic Tactics, and Court of Justice.